Welcome back. It's time now for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. We begin with where else but athletics. Now, Jamaica's Shericka Jackson created history at the World Athletics Championships after scorching to a championship record and national record of 21.45 to win the 200 meters in Eugene, Oregon on Thursday. Jordan Fort is in Eugene and filed this report.
When Shericka Jackson crossed this line here at Hayward Field in the 200 meters on Thursday, she instantly rewrote the history books. The 28-year-old became the fastest living woman over 200 meters, clocking 21.45 seconds, just 11/100ths of a second off Florence Griffith Joyner's world record of 21.34 set in 1988.
I'm feeling great. I wanted to come out here and put on a show. And I did just that, the fastest woman alive, national record, and a personal best. I can't complain.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price won her second medal at these championships and the second ever world 200-meter medal, copping silver in a season's best 21.81 seconds.
Listen, I am tired. I'm not going to tell you a lie. I was really tired. I was fatigued, but mentally, and I wanted to come out here and have a good run. I've always said the 200 is my least favorite event, but it has always been an event that challenges me. And what would I be, if I didn't challenge myself at this championship?
Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Hero finished 7th in 22.39. Earlier, Natoya Gould comfortably made progress to Friday's 800-meter semi-final after clocking 2 minutes 00.06 seconds to win her heat.
I'm feeling great, Just wanted to come out here today, make it past the first run because, this is the easiest one out of all three, so.
Adele Tracy ran her lifetime best 1 minute 59.20 seconds to finish third in her heat and also make progress to the semi-finals. Chris-Ann Gordon-Powell missed out on a place in the semis after finishing fifth in her heat in 2 minutes 01.91 seconds. Reporting from Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, site of the 2022 World Athletics Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.
Staying in Eugene, Jamaica will have 4 finalists on today's 8th day of competition. 2013 World Championship bronze medalist Stephanie Ann McPherson will line up in lane 2 of the 400 meters, while Candice McLeod in her second global final lines up in lane 5. This at 9:15 p.m. Now, Christopher Taylor will be in lane 1 for the men's equivalent, and this goes off at 9:35 p.m. Meanwhile, 2019 World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton is in lane 2 for the women's 400-meter hurdles final, and that will close the show at 9:50 p.m. Right, then some cricket now. The West Indies will need 309 to beat India in the opening one-day international at the Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad. This after restricting the visitors to 308 for 7. Now, the Indians had a 119-run opening stand between stand-in captain Shikhar Dhawan, who made 97, and Shubman Gill, who posted 64. Now, Shreyas Iyer also chipped in with 54, and that got them to 230 for 2. This after 35 overs. Now, Gudakesh Moti has been the pick of the Caribbean bowlers. Well, he took 2 for 54, while there was a wicket apiece for Akil Hussain and Romario Shepherd. The regional team brought in Kyle Mears for Casey Carty from the last ODI, which was played against Bangladesh. Meanwhile, Romario Shepherd replaced Jason Holder in the squad after the Bajan tested positive for COVID-19. The tourists are also without Vice Captain Ravindra Jadeja through a knee injury. And guess what? That is thumbs for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Anthony, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Anthony Lugg. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.